Well, it's 2 days later, and something's been nagging at me the entire time since I cooked this chorizo paella. The fact is, I used Mexican chorizo, which is soft, as opposed to hard chorizo, which is Spanish. So, I went out and got a dry chorizo salami after having bought some additional chorizo, which is soft, but not as soft as the Mexican chorizo. I was gonna try this, and I thought, well, if I do the whole thing, and I still have that kind of bland breakup, that's really not gonna solve the issue and what's been bothering me so much. So I'm remaking it all over again. I'm not gonna give you all of the steps, because the steps are the same, but I will be using dry chorizo salami. I have 2 different kinds of olives. I have saffron, I have onion, I have garlic, I have snap peas, I have my rice, and my friends at Morlaix are giving me a beautiful bottle of wine to cook with, which is really a crime, but I drink it as well, and a little prosciutto. So here we go. We're going to do the whole thing over again, and we'll see what happens on the other side.